Hi, sir, are you looking for the locksmith?
Yes.
All right, sounds good. These are in the.
Leave your keys inside.
Don't. Sorry.
Don't leave.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yes. Then we'd all be stuck. All right, let's get you guys in. Oh, car's running.
Yeah,
All right. All done. These cars are easy.
great
Yeah.
work. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Awesome, Sim. And I have a business card.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, just in case you ever get locked out of your house or your car again, just give me a call. I'll come help you guys out.
Thank you.
All right, you guys have a good rest of your day.